Maraming nagsasabi na itong battery daw na to ay mabilis malobat. Pero ngayon, tatry ko siyang punuin gamit itong alternator charger at yung aking Delta Pro 3. So guys, so kanina, charge natin yung Delta Pro 3 mga around 8:40 I think. So ngayon, to 25% na siyang charged. So ang charging speed ni Delta Pro 3 is 2.8 kilowatts. And ang capacity niya is 4 kilowatt hours, so less than 2 hours dapat fully charged na siya. So yung 12 volts na 280 amp hour na battery, i-charge ko gamit ito. Ito yung alternator charger. So ngayon 11.1 volt lang siya, so almost zero yung kanyang load. So after pag fully charged na to, transfer na natin sa battery, external battery. Okay, so ngayon 100% na siya at 10:45. So sakto lang. And then let's open na yung alternator charger. Reverse charge mode. Okay, so yan. So now charge na natin yung external battery. So 800 watts lang to. So approximately siguro mga 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours bago ma-full charge to 14.6 volts. Yung 12.8 volts na 280 amp hours. Hello, good morning. So hindi ko na namalayan kung anong oras siya na fully charged, but I think it's, so ito fully charged na siya. And si Delta Pro may laman pa. So now, antayin na lang natin na ma-discharge tong Delta Pro. So pag wala ng araw, din na nagsa-solar charge. Tingnan na natin yung laman ng 12 volt battery. So ito, discharge na yung Delta Pro 3. Okay. So try na natin i-charge back gamit yung alternator charger and full load na 12 volts battery. So para ma-charge yung Delta Pro, press lang yung charge and then turn on yung battery, yung alternator charger. So medyo matagal lang kasi discharged siya at hindi pa naka-online. Okay, so now awake na yung Delta Pro. Magcha-charge na siya ng 800 watts. 1% sa dapat kapag fully charged, fully discharged yung 12 volt battery, dapat approximately nasa 85 to 87%. Okay, so antayin na lang natin until ma-full charge. Hello, it's been 3 hours since nung nag-start tayo mag-charge. So ngayon 50% na yung battery and still going up. Okay, so balik tayo mamaya. Hello guys, good evening. So ito, drained na siya, 11 volts na lang. So na-charge niya si Delta Pro up to 84%. Okay, so 84%, that's roughly mga 3.3 kilowatts. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment lang kayo. Okay, thank you.